Hello students, welcome to the Max class. Today we can learn graph. Already we have done one method, it is second method. See example 3.52, draw the graph of y equal to 2x square and hence solve 2x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. So in this previous method we have only one equations, but here we have two equations. So first part is same as the before. So see this first equation. First you can take the first equation. It is given y equal to 2x square. So first we can consider this equation. You have to find out the values. So usually x value we will take that minus 4 to 4. Like the same I can put minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, to find out the y value, we can do in proper method. First I will write the x square value. This x square. Next I will do 2x square. Finally we can write y. That means solving this we will get the value of y. So x square value, corresponding x value is minus 4. So minus 4 square, the whole square. You will get this as 16 plus 16. Because minus square is plus, then 4 square is 16. The same. If you square the negative, you will get positive. Okay. Then 3 square value 9. Then minus 2 the whole square 4. Minus 1 the whole square 1. Then 0 square 0. Next square now. So 1 square 1. So 2 square 4. 3 square 9. 4 square 16. Next step is to multiply 2 with this x square values. So 2 into x square. First we can multiply 16. So 2 into 16 we got 32. Next 2 into x square value now. So 9. 2 into 9 18. Next 2 into 4 8. Then 2 into 1 2. 2 into 0 0. 2 into 1 2. Then 2 into 4 8. 2 into 9 18. 2 into 16 32. So next you can write the y value. What is y? 2x square is y. So just you can write the 2x square value in this place of y. So 32, then 18, 8, 2, 0, 2, 8, 18, 32. So we completed the table. Next we have to write the points. The points are. It is easy for us to plot. Okay. See minus 4 to 32. Minus 4 comma 32. You have to choose as the pair. X comma y pair. So first coordinate is x value. Second coordinate is y value. Corresponding y value. Then minus 3 comma next point is minus 3 comma 18. Then minus 2 comma 8. Then minus 1 comma 2. 0 comma 0. 1 comma 2. 2 comma 8. 3 comma 18, 4 comma 32. So I wrote that scale, also that axis. It is very important to write the axis x and x dash and y dash. Then here 0. Then scale I written like x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. 1 unit I taken. The same y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. I taken 1 units. Okay. Next, our aim is to plot these points. So minus 4, already I said that these two are greater values, just you can leave it. We can start from here. If we need, we can plot it later. So minus 2 comma 8. So minus 2 is here. So 8 value is here. So we can write this as minus 2 comma 8. I wrote using this let because of visibility. This should be visible for you. So I using this lead pen. You have to use your pencil. Next one is minus 3 comma, okay, minus 1 comma 2. So minus 1 is here, then 2. It is known as minus 1 comma 2. After plotting the point, you have to write the point. Then 0 comma 0. You know this is known as 0 comma 0. Next 1 comma 2. So 1 comma 2. It is known as 1 comma 2. Next 2 comma 8. 2, 8. Okay, I didn't plot the greater values, just plot this. And after drawing that parabola, we can check. If we need, we can plot that again. Okay. Then we can join these points. We will get a parabola. See, I got this parabola. Next, we have to write the equation on this curve, this parabola. See, using the equation y equal to 2x square, we got this parabola. So you have to write it. On this curve, you can write y equal to 2x square. Okay. Next step. This is as usual, like before. Like this is same as the before. Next step is to solve the equation. Next step is solving the equations. Two equations are given. We have to solve it. I'll write the first equation, that is y equal to 2x square. The next equation, how to write it, listen. X square, corresponding x square value you have to write near it. So x square. Then x value near to the x value. Here is no x value. There is no constant value. Then as there is, if you need, just you can put 0x. Otherwise 0 you can write. Okay, that's your wish. Just you can leave, that's no problem. Anyway, we can write that equations, minus x minus 6. Then equal to, next side there is 0. Just we can write like this. Our aim is to solve this. So next we can subtract these two. So change the sign. If it is plus, it will change this minus. If there is minus, it will change this plus. So y minus 0, you will get y. That is equal to. So x square minus x square get cancelled. Then here 0, here there is 0. So plus x. There also 0. So plus 6. So now we got a new equation, that is y equal to x plus 6. So using this equation, again we have to find out the points. So in this step, you can write the x value as minus 2 to 2. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. This 5 value enough. Next, to find out the y value, I'll write one by one. First we need x. Next we need 6. So when we solve these two, we will get the value y. Okay. So x value means corresponding x value you can write near to this 0, 1, 2. Next 6 is constant. So it is constant for all the terms. So 6. There is plus 6. Okay. Next y. So y value, you know that solving x and 6. So you have to solve these two. Write the answer here. So minus 2 plus 6. So you will get 4. Then minus 1 plus 6. You will get 5. 0 plus 6. 6. Then 1 plus 6. 7. Then 2 plus 6. 8. So if you have any doubts, just you can write it with symbol. It is plus 6 now. Plus 6 you can write. And that's your wish. If there is simply 6, there is no 6. So now again we got a pair. That is x and y values we got. See this. The points are minus 2. X value is minus 2. Y value is 4. You know this points we have to plot as a pair x comma y, corresponding x value corresponding y value we can take. So minus 2 comma 4. The next one minus 1 comma 5. Then 0 comma 6. 1 comma 7. 2 comma 8. So these are the points. So next again on the same graph we have to plot this point. Next we can plot this point. See this minus 2 comma 4. So you will get minus 2. Then 4 is there. Write it minus 2 comma 4. Then minus 1 comma 5. So here is minus 1. Here is 5. You can write minus 1 comma 5. The next one is 0 comma 6. So 0 comma 6. 0 comma 6. Next one is 1 comma 7. So here is 1. So 7 is there. So 1 comma 7. Next 2 comma 8. So 2 is here. Then 8 is here. So 2 comma 8 already written there. Okay. So now you can join this line using scale, you know, the second points will give a straight line. So don't forget it, this second points will give us straight line. If there is no straight line, that's wrong. Okay, anyway you will get a straight line. We can join it using, okay, it's a straight line. So after drawing that, you have to write the equation on this straight line. So we got the straight line using the equation y equal to x plus 6. Just you can write y equal to x plus 6. Clear? Okay, this is the main part. That is, you have to find out the solutions. Okay, how to find out the solutions? So intersection of this parabola and the straight line, that is the solution. So in this place and this place there is an intersection of this parabola and the straight line. So what you have to do is, just you can find out the point on the x-axis. So here is the intersection. Take a scale and just join here. This is the point of intersection. It is exactly minus 1.5. Okay. Then here is the point of intersection. So using your scale, just find out the point on the x-axis. So using your scale, just you can draw it. So it is exactly 2. Okay, it is exactly 2. So the solution set is, it's minus 1.5 and this 2. The same answer you have to write here. The solution set is minus 1.5 comma 2. Okay. Next example 3.53. Draw the graph of y equal to x square plus 4x plus 3 and hence find the roots of x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So see, these two equations are given. We have to find out the roots. Roots is same as solution. The same method we can use. First write the given. That is given this y value x square plus 4x plus 3. Using this, you can find out some points. For that, x value I can choose like minus 4 to 4. So minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we need to find out y value. For that, we can solve these values. We need x square, then 4x, then 3. Otherwise, you can write plus 4x plus 3. Okay. Then x square value, already we have written, just you can write it 16, 9, 4. There won't be any negative value because we have to square these values. If we square, that will get positive. Then plus, this is 0, then 1, 4, 9, 16. Next 4 into x. Here the value is positive, here the value is negative. So you will get the negative sign. So we have to multiply this 4 by the corresponding x values and we can write here. So 4 into minus 4. So minus already written, 4 into 4, 16. Next, here is minus. Then 4 3s are 12. Then again there is minus. 4 2s are 8. Again there is minus. 4 into 1, 4. Then 0 into 4, 0. Then both are positive, no problem. Here is everything is positive. 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 4, 16. Next, 3 is the constant term. It is constant for all the terms. So we can write 3 plus 3. Otherwise 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay. Next we can find out the value of y. So when will you get y? After solving this 3, we will get y. So we can solve this and we can find out the value of y. See, plus 16 and minus 16 get cancelled. Remaining there is 3. Just we can write 3. Next, what you have to do is just you can add the same sign, subtract from the opposite sign. So here both same sign. Add it, you will get 12. So 12 minus 12, you will get 0. Then here 4 and 3. 4 plus 3, 7. So minus 8 plus 7, you will get minus 1. So if you get confused, just you can rewrite aside like 4 plus 3 is 7 you got. Then minus 8, what will you get? Minus 1. Okay. Then 1 plus 3, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So you should not take this value. Don't forget, you should not take this value. You need only these values. Then here is 3. Then everything is positive. Just you can add it. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Then 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Then 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 12, 24. Then it is 35. So next we can write the points. The points are so x value corresponding y value. X values are these, then y values are this. So choose the corresponding value. So minus 4 comma 3. Then minus 3 comma 0. Minus 2 comma minus 1. So minus 1 comma 0. 0 comma 3. 1 comma 8. 2 comma 15. 3 comma 24. 4 comma 35. This greater value we don't want to plot. If we need after drawing the parabola, just we can check it out after we can draw it. So next our aim is to plot it on this graph. See this, I returned the scale. Also I drawn this axis. X axis 1 centimeter. I taken this 1 unit. But y axis I taken the 2 units. As your convenient you can take. If you can draw with 1 units, this you can use it. I taken with 2 units. Okay. Next we can plot it. First point is minus 4 comma 3. So minus 4 is here. Then 3 will be here. Minus 4 comma 3. So next one is minus 3 comma 0. So minus 3 comma 0 will be on the line. So minus 3 comma 0. So next one is minus 2 comma minus 1. So minus 2 comma minus 1 will be, I have taken this 2. Okay, don't get confused. I taken this 2. So minus 1 will be here. So minus 2 comma minus 1. Minus 2 comma minus 1. So next one is minus 1 comma 0. Minus 1 comma 0 will be on the line. Minus 1 comma 0. Next one is 0 comma 3. So 0 comma 3 value will be here. So 0 comma 3. Next 1 comma 8. So 1 is here. 1 comma 8 is here. 1 comma 8. 2 comma 15. So 2 is here. Then 15 will be here. So 2 comma 15. Next we can join this point. These 2 points I didn't plot that because it's greater values. If we need we can plot it later. See this, I got the parabola. So after joining that I got it. So after that we can write the equation on this parabola. The equation is y equal to x square plus 4x plus 3. Because using this equation only we got this parabola. So next is solving the equations. We can write the two equations. See y value, that is y equal, first we can write y equation. Y equal to x square plus 4x plus 3. Next I'll write next equation, x square plus x plus 1, that is equal to 0. Next we can solve it. So before solving that, we can change the sign. Minus will change as plus, plus will change as minus. Because we are subtracting that. Y minus 0 you will get y equal to x square minus x square get cancelled because same term negative sign. 4x minus x. So you will get 3x. Then 3 minus 1 you will get 2. It is positive because the greatest number sign is plus. So now we got a new equation, that is y equal to 3x plus 2. So using that we can find out some points for straight line. So as usual we can take the x value as minus 2 to 2. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 I can take. Next, to find out the y value, we can do 1 by 1. First step we can do 3x. Next step we can do 2 plus 2. Then when we solve this 2, we will get the value of y, because y equal to 3x plus 2. So 3x, 3 into minus 2, you will get minus 6. 3 into minus 1, you will get minus 3. Then 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. Next, plus 2, it's a constant term. It is constant for all the terms. Just you can write 2, 2, 2 everywhere. Now after solving these two terms, y is separate. X value is separate. You will get the corresponding y value. So solve it, 6 minus 6 plus 2. So you will get minus 4. Then here minus 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 6 plus 2, 8. So from this table, we got some points. The points are minus 2, x value corresponding y value. So minus 2, comma minus 4. Then minus 1, comma minus 1. 0, comma 2. Then 1, comma 5. 2, comma 8. Next, we can plot this on the same graph. Minus 2, comma minus 4. So minus 2 is there, minus 4 is here. So minus 2, comma minus 4. Then minus 1, comma 1. Minus 1, comma minus 1. That is here. So minus 1, comma minus 1. Next 0, comma 2. So 0, comma 2. Then 1, comma 5. So 5 will be there. So 1, comma 5. Then 2, comma 8. So 2 is here. 2, comma 8. Next we can join the line. So the points are here now. You can join the line. Okay, it's a straight line. So this straight line we got from the equation y equal to 3x plus 2. So write the equation on this straight line, y equal to 3x plus 2. Then we have to find out the intersection of this parabola and the straight line. See, this parabola is going on that way, but the straight line is going this way. There is no possibility of intersection. So we can write like this. The line does not intersect the parabola. So the equation, they are asking the roots of this equation. Find the roots of this equation. So this equation, x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0, has no real roots. Anyway, it's quadratic equation. It will have some roots. It will be imaginary roots. So we have to write no real roots. It's important. There is no real roots. Okay.